Hi friends, I welcome you all to my channel Talk to Share. Let's see what Sheetal is preparing today.
Hi everyone, today we are making pink pasta. So let's see the ingredients. I've made red sauce with some 2-3 tomatoes. I've boiled it and crushed with some ginger and garlic.
Okay.
Then I've made some white sauce with the butter and maida. I have boiled some penne pasta here and I have some vegetables, zucchini, onion, red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper, carrot, corn, some parsley and mushroom.
Okay. So this you have tomato puree you have made with garlic and ginger.
Tomato, boiled
Garlic,
tomato, garlic, ginger.
ginger. Okay. And this white sauce you have made out of
Maida,
maida and milk and butter.
and butter.
Okay. And some red chili flakes in it.
Yeah, we have some red chili flakes, oregano and salt according to your taste.
Okay.
And olive oil for
Making it. So let's see how we are preparing.
so we'll heat the pan followed by olive oil. Now I'll add garlic into this. Little bit of onion. We'll saute all the vegetables. Okay. Pepper. Green pepper. Yellow pepper.
You can add vegetables as per your choice
Yeah.
also.
Yeah.
Actually, kids doesn't eat.
Vegetables.
This is a good way to give them all vegetables. Because pasta is their favorite, right?
Yeah. Kids love pasta.
You can just saute it, right?
Yeah, we'll saute it for a minute. Now we'll add our red sauce.
Okay.
Here you can add little bit of salt. Oregano. Chili flakes. You can avoid the chili flakes. Your
Okay.
kids doesn't like spicy.
Right. So it's simple. First heat the oil, then all the vegetables with garlic, just saute it, and
Now
all
we'll
the
add our
seasoning.
white sauce. You can see our pink sauce is ready
Okay.
with lots of vegetables.
Right.
Now I'll add pasta in it and we'll mix this properly. Now we'll add little bit of parsley.
This is the fresh parsley if you get it. Otherwise, dry parsley
You can
is
avoid,
also
yeah.
available, right?
Yeah.
But fresh is fresh. So this is delicious looking. Pasta is ready.
Now we'll serve this.
Okay.
So I've served with cheese and parsley.
So our delicious, full of vegetables, yummy pink sauce pasta is ready to eat. Enjoy with your family and friends. Thank you. Thank you, Sheetal.
Thank you.